Here's how to make a table in Microsoft Excel. A table is a specific set of rows and columns that you can apply functions to, such as adding filters, formatting, or creating graphs. Let's turn our buying report for our fashion startup into a table. First, highlight the cells you want to add to your table. Click on Insert, then click on Table. If your cells include headings, check the My Table Has Headers box, then click OK. Your cells will now be turned into a table. On the top right corner of the screen, under the Table section, you'll see a series of coloured designs. Choose the one you like and you'll see your table change. You can expand the size of your table by amending the number of columns or rows in it. To do this, hover your cursor over the bottom right corner of the table and click and drag the black arrowed square across the columns or rows you want to be added to your table. The sort and filter features on tables help to organise your data. Click on the drop-down arrow next to one of the headings. A pop-up will appear. Next to Sort, click on Ascending. The table will now be arranged in ascending order of retail prices. Now use the filter function by unchecking one of these boxes. This will hide all the items on the table that are $182.50.